Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Richard Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about the biggest gainer stock on Navidea Biopharmaceutical. The stock jumped a lot on May 22nd. So if this is your first time to Richard Insider, make sure you subscribe. In this channel, we talk about business, finance, economics, stock investment, real estate, and other investment, and helping you get rich and live a great life. So subscribe and make sure you click all so that you do not miss any of my videos. Okay, let's get to our today lesson. So this is a start Navidea Pharmaceutical. Basically, look at it 5 days. It jumped from 1.27 to 3.11. That's a big jump. Nothing happened 1 month. Nothing happened 6 months. It's very normal, going up, going down. Uh, 1 year, wow, look at it. It's dropped to 53 cents before, then 1.51. That's a big change. It's a penny stock. If the stock is less than $5, it's a penny stock. 5 years, wow, look at this one. The mass, gosh, I don't want to invest in these stocks. If I'm going to hold it for a long time, I'm not gonna put my money into it. But this could be a great stock for the trading. Yeah, depending on it. So what's really going on right here? So that's what we are going to find out. Let's let's look at this. Uh, Navidea Biopharmaceuticals stock rockets to a 13-month high on heavy volume after update trial data. So basically, what's happening is that there is epi data on ongoing phase 2 trial of its treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. So which has nothing to do with the illness, the disease that's going on right now, and it trades at 5 million share, 5.2 million share before an hour on a full day average of only 270,000 shares. So this share does not trade so many shares. So 5.2 million share on 1 day is a lot. Usually it doesn't trade that a lot. So which is why this stock jumps. If you look at it, this is only market cap of about 52.6 million. So if you do not know about market caps, it's outstanding shares multiplied with the share price that you get the market caps. And students in my course should already know. If you're watching these videos and you do not know, I want you to go back and study and revise, until you know what's market cap and stuff like that. And there's no dividend. And so because this company is so small, any good news could change the price dramatically. Any bad news can drive the price down a lot as well. It's not like this company, Gilead stock. It's 92 billion. This is a very big company giving you 2.71% dividend years. So Gilead is a company focuses on primarily on antiviral drugs using treatment of HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and influenzas. So a few weeks ago, this company came out with a treatment for disease illness, remdesivir, but the stock price did not move a lot. It went up a bit, but it just went back down. So it did not move a lot because this company is really big, really big. So that's a big difference between. But it used to be $62 and now it jumped to 83. That's a lot. 5 years. Look at it. Wow, what's going on? Yeah, definitely it went down a little bit. Maximize. Wow, this stock used to be. Just imagine if you own this stock right here at $1.69, it jumped to 118. So it's 100 times. That's a lot. That's a lot. The company changed a lot. So look at this here in 2018, $62 and $62. So looks like $62 is the base for this stock. So yeah, cool. So let me see another stock. So which is a Moderna. This stock seems to be really hot recently with the vaccine stuff like that. It it jumps to $80 and it went back down to 67. So basically, 52 is low at $11, then 52 is high is 87. It's because of this disease illness. They are trying to find vaccine for it. So basically, it's a very risky. Biotechs are usually very risky stock because you need to go to different stages to get successful trials. Every drug they make, if it's not successful, if it's a flop, they lost a lot of R&D money, research and development money, and also the time. And even if their trials are successful, they still need to get FDA approval. So even after getting FDA approval, they need to patent the drugs. So that's where biotech company makes the most money, when they are able to patent any drugs that they discover or they created, they invented. So if the patent lasts for a long time, they could make a very big fortune. So it means that no other companies can come and duplicate their drugs. After a patent expires, any drugs company can make the same drug, make it become generic drug. Yeah. So there's no dividend yields. For the stock investor, dividend investor, this not gonna be a good investment. But if you're a speculator, this could be really good speculation stock. If you look at it in February, it was nothing, 33. So it jumped by three times, now within 3 months. So that's a lot. And there's another company, Pfizer company. And this company how much is the market cap? Look at it, only 26 billion. So that's why you can see a big jump. Pfizer company, they are the one who makes Viagra. So yeah, components. Yep, pharmaceutical companies. Yeah, the guy should know this company. So 6 months is a 208 billion company. It's a really big company, giving you 4.05% interest. So this stock does not change a lot because it's a very stable stock. They have so many drugs, and they don't need to worry about one drug becoming a flop and stuff like that. But in 2018, it dropped a little bit. So yeah, $45. So it looks like 45.88 seems to be their top. See, this stock seems to be like cannot go above the 45. If you look at it, 44, 80, 81, 43, 51. The highest it has been is 44.56. So yeah, this should be good for the dividend. If you are able to cash this company around $25, that would be great. $20, that would be great. The lowest it has been 13.63. The 52 is low was 27. So if you could get them around $30, that would be great. $30 or below $30. Of course, the lowest the better. But there's always a reason why the stock's gonna go low. So you never want to buy a stock that keep getting lower and lower. So let's get back to this stock. Today we talk about this one, Navidea. So look at it. The average volume is only 1.4 million, but last Friday it's 81 million. So that's a big change. A lot of people change hands, the volumes. That's why the stock price jump a lot. And my guess is that I believe so. This stock's gonna go down on Tuesday, because that's many of the stocks do. Many of the biotech stock, they go up for one day, then the next day they drop. Because if you think about it, if you were somebody who bought this stock around $1.54 and the stock has went down to 81 cents, you've been wanting to sell this stock for a long time. I bought it at 153. It went down. I want to sell this stock. I want to sell this stock. No, 2.43. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. As soon as possible. So which is one of the reasons why this stock's gonna drop the next day. Yeah, that's what I think. So let's come back to this. So what can you do if you learn something from this lesson? Make sure you share this video, you comment below. That's gonna help this channel a lot with algorithms. That means a lot to me. What do you think about the stock? Do you think it's gonna go down on Tuesday? you share this video, and I have a course for you. And if you're looking for a job, if you want to get a job within the next 30 days, or do you want to make more money? Are you somebody who uh, wants to work and live in USA? This course is an idea for you, and you can take this course for anywhere. Singapore, Japan, Korea, UK, Germany, France, Canada, anywhere, Australia. You can take this course and you can apply in your career. That's going to change your life. That's going to increase your pay by like 3 times. So make sure you take this course. The link's going to be below above the video. And I have a rewards for you, surprise for you. And every CEO reads about 60 books a year, so 5 books a month and 1 book a week. But average Americans read only 1 book a year. That's a big difference, which is the reason why CEO makes a lot of money. And so I want you to make a lot of money. So you read all the books. The link's gonna be below. I'm gonna give you 30 days, so you can read the books over there. If you want to just get it started and start investing, so this is a good time for you to get your hands on stocks. So I want to give you free stocks. There will be 2 links below. One link, you click on it, open an account, you get free stock. Then if you deposit $100, you're gonna get second stock, which could potentially worth up to 1,400. So that's a lot of money. Make sure you deposit $100. And second link, you need to deposit money as well to get a free stock, so that you can withdraw it anytime and whatever. So this is my free stock gift for you. If you are thinking about becoming a realtor or real estate agent, now is a good time, because the economy crash. A lot of sellers want to sell their home. When economy is good, a lot of buyers want to buy their houses. So this is a good time for you to get your license, so that you can start making money within 60 to 90 days. Once you pass the test, let me know. I can recommend you to one of my companies all over US, or even Canada. But this is mainly the USA course. And if you want to get a low interest free loan for the next 1 year, get this credit cards. Most of the credit cards gonna give you around 14 months interest free for you. The link's gonna be down below. And if you are thinking about basically paying too much on your mobile phone, paying more than $15 a month, you are paying too much. So get this Hollywood Actor Ryan Reynolds animated mobile plans, unlimited texting, unlimited talking, and unlimited data. The data might slow after some time, but it stay unlimited. So if you are thinking about traveling this summer, and you can click on it, I'm gonna give you free hotel stay for you. If you have any question, message me on Facebook. Follow me, like I see first, and follow me on Instagram. You can leave voicemail. Make sure you get free stocks audiobooks. Write down below, what do you learn about this today lesson. Do you think that stock Navidea is gonna go up or gonna go down on Tuesday? Comment below, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.